How to create a good poster with Canva app fast and easy. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a good post with Canva app fast and easy method. So all what you have to do is go to Canva app like this, and now you should go here, click on this icon right here, and then you will have many options right here, and you should go down and choose the poster option. Click on poster and wait a few seconds. It will take you to this page. Now in this page you will find many poster templates. You can click on one of them and edit it as you want. Let's click on, for example, this one, and uh, now you can edit it as you want from here. Just click on the text and add the text that you want here. As you can see, how to and whatever you want to write right here. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.